What's the meaning of alveolus? Alveolus. 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 Alveolus.
An alveolus is a tiny air sac found in the lungs. These sacs are responsible for exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and the air we breathe. Alveoli are critical to respiration, as they increase the surface area of the lungs tremendously, allowing for efficient gas exchange. Additionally, the walls of the alveoli are thin, which enables the diffusion of gases across them. Overall, the alveoli are an essential component of the respiratory system and play a vital role in maintaining human health.